Back out in the garage, decided we're gonna go ahead and get the carpet out of the rear of the 92, see if we have any other issues to deal with, and gotta have all that carpet out so I can finish some of the welding that needs to be done in there and not catch anything on fire. Not that I would do that. So stay right there, we're gonna go over here and take this carpet out. Oh boy. Looks like somebody's been here before me. Oh Lord. Oh my God. The f is that? I don't mind when people do stuff like, you know, the fuel pump access door, but what in the... Who does that? That has to be the jankiest one I've ever seen. All right, well, I guess fuel tank needs to come out because I've got to fix that giant mess. Come on, man.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, speaking fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough, I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams of modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go. Make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages.
There we go. See the filler neck?
Yeah, almost there.
Yeah.
There we go.
All right. I gotta go back. Oh my God. Like they hacked into the brace? Come on, man. All right, well, here's the... Who does that? I mean, I get like part of it and then part of it, like, come on. I mean, it clearly was a bigger struggle to get the gas tank out than to just rip a hole in the car. But there's no reason for that. Now I gotta hammer and dolly all that stuff back in and try and weld it. People suck. Oh my God. All right, so Mike and I got the rear end moved out of the way, got the painter rod and the brace off. Gas tank's out, and now we're gonna try and hammer and dolly the access door that some clown cut. So hopefully we can get that kind of squared away and get that presentable, and then weld up what we need to weld up and put in a proper door. So we'll see.
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a fucking name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that kind of fame. No, I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. I just wanna be greatness. I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent, and it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots. If I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. That energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic.
Welding and grinding for a little bit. I think it turned out all right. So the plan is to take some 1/8 inch bar stock aluminum and make a frame that I can actually screw a panel into. So next I'm going to go over to the workbench and cut some pieces of that bar stock that I already have and then I can start fitting them in place. I'm going to rivet them along with some seam sealer that'll keep all the fumes out of the passenger compartment. Here's the final hole that is going to be left for my trapdoor access panel for the fuel pump. I'm happy with it. I'm a novice welder. My welds came out all right. I ground them, whatever. I'm going to hit the exposed areas with some etching primer, and then I'm going to start drilling holes in the bar stock aluminum so that I can rivet that in place. And I'm going to put some seam sealer underneath as well, and then I will be able to finally make a plate to be able to screw it back over on top of there. So
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So I have the top cover done. You just saw me kind of make that. So now I've got to figure out where all the holes are going to go, put the riv nuts in the plate in the car, drill some holes in this thing for the bolts that I have to attach it, and then finally we'll have a cover plate. I think I'm going to paint this black and leave the bolts silver. I think that'll look pretty cool, even though it's going to be covered and only you and I'll know it's in there.
It sound right, boys.
So I've been working on this plate. It's finally painted. Got all the rib nuts installed in our fuel panel access thingy. It's time to go ahead and install it. Well, I think that turned out really nice. I mean, compared to what I started with, I'm super happy with that. I did line the bottom with some foam so that it'll seal the fumes and stuff from coming in. I'm also going to seam seal the bottom side and take care of that so I don't have any issues with rust. So that's going to do it for this video. If you like the 92 or you like any of my other cars, subscribe. Like the video, share it with your friends, and leave me a comment. Take care.